Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the manual line feeder on a Flymo grass trimmer. If you find that you can no longer feed the line to get the correct length, then it is likely that the manual line feeder has broken and it needs to be replaced. Now, safety first, always disconnect an appliance before carrying out any work. The next thing I need to do is to turn the trimmer over. With the trimmer turned upside down, I can now remove the spool cover. Easy to do, simply push in the two tabs and lift away. And then I need to lift the spool and line out itself. Just pull on the spool and let the lines ease out of the guides. And here underneath is the manual line feeder. To remove the manual line feeder, just grab a small flat-headed screwdriver. So you can pinch in the spring at the end and then lift both it and the manual line feeder up together. Now, the manual line feeder doesn't come with the spring, so take the spring from your old feeder and pop it into the new one before fitting it into the trimmer. To fit the manual line feeder, simply put the rear of it in first and then guide the spring down. And you can use your flat-headed screwdriver just to do that. Once in place, give it a couple of tests to see that it's working correctly. Now I can replace the spool and line, making sure that the line is fed into the guides correctly. And then pop the spool cover back in place. So there we have it, one new manual line feeder fitted to this Flymo grass trimmer. Remember, spares and accessories for all the appliances around your home can be found on the eSpares website. Thanks for watching.